Hey friends, welcome to Design Guy. Ready to discover the secrets behind eye-catching thumbnails that get clicks? First, click the Create button. Then type YouTube in the search bar. From the results, select YouTube Thumbnail. Here, you'll find various templates designed specifically for YouTube thumbnails. Browse through the options to choose a template you like. Choose from the available designs, or select the Upload option to add your own image from your device and use it in your project. To set your own thumbnail, select a design sample from the options. For example, choose this one called 7 Days in Singapore as your thumbnail image. Once you've completed this step, you'll be able to edit the template. You can choose a different image that suits your needs, or browse through available options and select the one that fits your project best. Stand here and select the style you prefer for a better look. If needed, adjust the size of the element by dragging the corners until it fits your design. Make sure everything aligns correctly before moving to the next step. To add more designs, select Elements and choose your desired graphics. When finished, click Share, then Download to save your completed project to your device for future use or sharing. Click the PDF Print option for the highest quality printing, especially for professional use. If you need a smaller file for easy sharing, select PDF Standard instead. Now you can design viral YouTube thumbnails in Canva. Hit like and subscribe for more creative tips.